Jai Hind and a very good morning. The beautiful scenery, the rising sun is seen in the east. After 4 to 5 days of continuous rain, the weather has opened up and it is spreading its beauty and the sun showering its bliss on the whole world. See, the trees, the greenery, the beautiful environments around which can add to your good health. We'll focus on the Tirukta Hills where the holy shrine of Mata Vaishno Devi is situated. See, the rays of the sun are falling on the Tirukta Hills. You can see these mountains, ranges and enjoy. Okay, we'll take you around. See the small village down below. Oh, beautiful. The wheat crop is coming up and the beautifully made houses are seen down below. A small stream is flowing and it's joining big stream ahead. The clouds have come down and they're showing their own beauty. Far away, the beautiful hill with full of pine trees. See, here are the places where you can add beauty to your health. You can enjoy the weather, you can enjoy the scenery, and instead of going far away to a foreign country, you can find these beauties, these good sceneries here in your own country, and you can add to the economy of this country, which can be utilized for the development. See, I would like to give the message to the youth of the country to visit these places and undergo exercises, climb a hill, and you can add to your health, build up a good physique. Staying away in crowded cities, away from these kind of bliss of the nature, sometimes you have to come out and enjoy in the interior of the country where you can have this bliss of nature. May God bless everyone. This is Colonel Balwant Singh speaking you from a interior village, and bringing you this beauty wherever you are. God bless you. Jai Hind.